Hey, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, Chef Dom and I are going to show you how to make Italian chili burgers. And these things are out of sight, nice and spicy. And we're also going to feature this new Thor grill that we bought. It's a portable barbecue grill. We're going to show you how we use it, if we like it. And anyway,
pretty good.
We're going to have a link on the bottom of our description. If you'd like to purchase this, you get a 10% discount. Just click on the link and they'll ship it right off to you. Anyway, let's get cooking. All right, let's start making our Italian chili.
Oh, yeah.
This is our own recipe. I got about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. It's 80-20. I'm gonna go ahead and fry that up a little bit, get it nice and brown. Smash it really good. Once it gets brown, we'll start adding our other ingredients. All right, check out this meat. It's getting nice and brown. Now we're going to go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. We're going to add some pepperoni. That's about 18 of those, 20 of those pizza-sized pepperoni. Add that. Have 1/2 cup of red bell pepper. And 1 cup of onion, yellow onion, diced up. About 3 cloves of garlic. And a couple of bay leaves. Don't forget to pull those out when I finish cooking. Alright, now we're going to let that cook for about another 5 to 6 minutes. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add a teaspoon of salt. And let that cook for 2 more minutes. Alright, check it out. The meat is nice and brown.
Oh,
onions are cooked.
Smells really good.
Now we're going to go ahead and drain that. Drain all that grease out of there. There we go. Beautiful. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and put this back on. Get the meat back in the plate. Pot, I mean. And now we're going to go ahead and add the secret spice, the calabrese red peppers. This will give you a kick.
Oh man.
1 teaspoon of that. Going to go ahead and black pepper to taste. Now we're going to go ahead and add the paste. About 3 tablespoons of paste. Cook a little bit. Oh man, it smells good, huh?
Smells good.
Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and add some crushed tomato. And 1 teaspoon of chili powder. It wouldn't be chili if we didn't add chili powder, right?
Yeah, those peppers look.
I know, right?
Those calabrese peppers.
Alright, now we're going to let this cook about 20 minutes and we'll be ready to eat. Oh, wait a minute. We forgot the salt. We got to add more salt now because we added tomato. So we're going to go ahead and add another teaspoon of salt. And that's it. Alright. Now we're going to let it cook for about 20 minutes.
It's going to be good.
And then we'll be ready to cook our dogs and
Burgers.
Let's cover that up. Okay. All right.
Yeah, like
right, this here is the Thor Barbeque Grill. This is what we picked up last week, and it's portable. The legs here go in and out, so it kind of reduces the volume of the whole equipment piece, and it's got some locks on the side of it to securely keep the lid on it for safe transportation. And this is it right here.
No stainless steel.
It's 430 gauge stainless steel. It comes fully assembled. All you have to do is add the grill and these plates on top of the flame plates on top, and it's good to go.
Looks like a nice grill.
Yeah. And then over here you just use your regular propane tank. So it got a nice size hose for it. And now let's go ahead and light this sucker up. Oh yeah. It ignited in one shot. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and let this heat up. We're going to let it kind of season the grill a little bit, let the flame cook out, and then we'll cook our burgers and dogs on here. All right, we'll be back.
Okay.
All right, yeah, man, it's getting hot quick. We're almost at 350 degrees. That's me. You know, this thing would be great not only for camping and picnics, but you know, cooking at home if you only
Tailgating.
Yeah, tailgating
at
too.
football
Yeah.
games.
You know, even if you're cooking at home for 2 people, 3, 4 people.
Yeah.
You know, you don't need a
Perfect
giant
size.
grill. You know. And what I did was I went ahead and protected the stainless steel with this Koenig spray. It's a polish. It's a spray. It cleans. It shines. It restores. It protects. It's a really good application for appliance. I'm going to go ahead and post a link on our description, so this way if you're interested you can purchase one of these. I mean, it's really good stuff. All right, it's been 20 minutes. Let's check out the chili. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh
It's
my
going to be
god,
great on the burgers.
so nice and thick. I'm looking forward to them on the dogs actually. Oh man, look at that.
We got some
nice and thick.
We got some colossal Nathan hot dogs.
Oh yeah, and a pound patty burgers. All right, let's go check the grill.
All right, our grill I think is pretty hot.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna go ahead and rub a little olive oil on the grill.
Yeah, especially being a new grill, you want to make sure that that meat doesn't stick. There we go. Nice.
All right, we're gonna get our Nathan's hot dogs on and these pound burgers.
Man, look at the size.
These
of those
are Nathan's famous hot dogs
things. Oh yeah.
out of New York, and they're quarter pound each.
Nice.
Each hot dog.
Oh, look at that. Those are gonna cook quicker than the burger.
Oh,
for
yeah.
Sure. No, that's beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. All right, we'll let that cook up. What do you got the temperature on right now?
I don't know. It seems to be. I might have to lower it a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cooling down. It's about 350 right now.
Yeah. As soon as it gets about 400.
Yeah. But we're
right.
gonna leave the lid closed for a little while. We're gonna lower it a little bit.
All right.
And also too, the big mistake that a lot of people make on grilling, they want to turn the meat right away.
Right.
You got to make sure that it's cooked
Yeah.
really good on one side. A lot of people that, you know,
Yeah.
the hot dogs, you know.
Yeah, hot dogs you can continue flipping, but burgers and steaks, you just want to flip them one time,
Right.
ideally.
Right.
You know?
This is a really good grill.
Yeah.
Excellent grill.
Yeah, we'll see how it cooks. All right, we'll be back.
Now that's a hot dog.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Those looking good.
Let's check these burgers.
You turn off the other side when those dogs are cooked, you know, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Baby.
Man. This really cooks really well, this grill. You can see the char on the burgers. Very nice. Yeah, nice. Let's put a little more.
take some of these, a couple of these dogs off here. Put them back on that tray?
Yeah, put it back on that tray. Look good. Oh, beautiful.
Beautiful dog rockets.
Very nice. These a little more probably. Yeah. There you go. Beautiful. Very nice.
No cheese on that one, right?
No.
So let's wait a little bit. That's still
Okay.
a little blood coming out there.
Yeah, where our stuff goes.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, that's ready for the cheese. That's the well done one right
Yeah.
there. All right. Oh man.
Oh yeah, little charred that.
Yeah, no, that's good. Jerry likes it like that.
Burger King.
All right, put some cheese on there. 2 pieces.
Burger thing. All right, we're just gonna put the cheese on just for like.
For a melt.
Yeah.
2 pieces on each. Definitely. A lot of meat.
Yeah.
Woo!
That grill is hot, man.
That looks good.
Yeah, let's try this for
Very nice. Let me try it. Very good. All right. Let the cheese melt.
Be ready in 30 seconds.
Man. You notice the grease trap, Dominic, is under here. You just pull this out
Yeah.
right here, and it captures all the grease. Easy cleaning. All right. Oh man, that is picture perfect right there.
This is gonna be our Italian chili burger.
Oh yeah. Nice. And dogs. Don't forget the dog.
And the dog rockets. I love
All
dog
right.
rockets.
Let's go ahead and let that.
Let that cool down a little
Yeah.
bit.
All right. Let's eat.
Oh man, it's good.
Let's dig in, man.
I don't know what I want first.
I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try the hamburger.
Chili dog.
You get
Okay, you want to
love. All right, so I'm gonna cheat here. I'll make you one. Oh wait, first let me get a bun. Might help.
what? You know we got food, huh?
Louis wants a bite. He's gonna bark at you.
Oh man, look at that. Okay. First the burger.
This is hard.
Watch, you're gonna lose one.
I got it. I got it.
That one will be yours if it's the floor, man.
All right.
Oh, that looks good, man. Messy but good. Oh, that's good. That's good.
Look at that chili
Oh, my
burger.
God.
That unbelievable what? Bon appetito.
Oh man.
I'm gonna make a hot dog first on mine. We didn't get regular hot dog buns because those, as you can see,
It's not
those
gonna fit.
dogs are gigantic. So we got some hoagie buns. They're kind of like hot dog buns. They feel like them. Throw that on
I
there.
want to bite into that, but I know it's hot. Jeez.
Look at that thing.
Now that's a hot
Now
dog.
that's a chili
Italian
dog.
chili dog.
Oh yeah.
Nice and cold.
I'm gonna take a bite.
Yeah, hot dog should
Zoom
be-
in on this one.
I'm zooming in, baby. I'm zooming in.
Oh my God, really good. You gotta try this chili. It's awesome. Dominic, did you try the burger yet?
Yeah,
How was it?
good. Very good.
You know,
Louis
the only,
wants to
oh
bite.
man, look at that cheese.
Louis wants a
You
bite.
know, the only thing that's missing is Mom.
Oh.
We really loved having her, you know, sit down with us and taste the food. But Mom is watching us. I know she's watching us right now.
She's probably telling me not to eat too much.
Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. We
Thank you.
appreciate the subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We have over 150 videos out there. And also, if you like the video, hit that like button. That helps us out as well. We'll see you guys later. We're gonna enjoy these dogs and burgers. Have a good day.
Louise, nobody giving you a bite.